Welcome to coffee class. May I introduce myself? My name is Ian. Today I'm very happy to show you how to make Vietnamese coffee, a popular local drink in Vietnam. Yeah. You need to prepare some ingredients and equipment. For the ingredient, you need coffee powder. You can open and smell it. Yeah, you can open and smell it. Coffee, lots of brand, yeah. But this is in our company we use Lâm Hà coffee, yeah. Have you ever tried Vietnamese coffee before?
Yes.
What kind your favorite coffee?
Like condensed milk, ice and coffee.
Yeah. Have you ever? Do you like coffee machine like cappuccino or American? Do you know how to different between Vietnamese coffee and coffee machine?
Not sure.
Can you guess?
The making of?
Yeah, of course. How about its taste?
I think this stronger.
Yes, right.
Have stronger smells like espresso with condensed milk.
Yeah. Actually, the coffee machine. In the world, we have two mainly kind of coffee bean: is Arabica and Robusta. Arabica tastes sour and Robusta tastes bitter. So in Vietnam, we usually grow Robusta coffee in Thailand.
It's a bit of a...
Yeah, because ideal soil and climate in Vietnam that we grow usually Robusta coffee bean. Yeah, so that's why Vietnam coffee only bitter, no sour.
Yes.
Yeah, but when you drink a coffee machine like cappuccino latte, you can feel a little bit sour into the coffee. That's coffee Arabica. Yeah. Okay. So you need to prepare some ingredient: coffee powder. Yeah, this one condensed milk from Vietnam. Yeah. So it looks like chocolate, right? Be careful with the wet introduction. This is coffee filter. Coffee filter include the lid. Please follow me instruction. Yeah. Please take out one. Press and strainer. Okay, and you need the glass and coffee spoon. Okay, now I will show you how to make it. First, you use this spoon. You add 3 full spoon coffee powder into the coffee filter. Like this, okay? 3 full spoon.
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Press. Attention. If you want to drink strong coffee, you press harder.
Yes.
But if you don't like strong, you want to drink a little bit strong, just press soft. Okay, depend on your choice.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Now we make coffee powder wet. We pour a little bit of hot water into the coffee filter and wait about 10 seconds. Wait the coffee powder bloom like this. Stop just a little. Make coffee powder wet and bloom.
Yes.
Like this.
So we wait now. We have wait like 30 seconds.
Yes.
Or 1 minute or.
Yeah. You know what? Because if in the first time you pour hot water full,
Yes.
So your coffee will be very fast. It's not the coffee powder don't have many time to bloom, so your coffee is not strong. So that's why you need to make coffee powder wet and bloom first and wait some time. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
If you want, you can make it completely full
Yes.
not run out, but yeah. And you can use this many times or just one time?
Like two times. Mostly we are in the coffee shop in Vietnam. We use the coffee powder 2 times.
Yes.
Yeah. First time we for strong coffee, but second time you for another name coffee like Bạc Xỉu. Have you ever heard here before?
No, I don't.
Bạc Xỉu is mean the name Vietnamese coffee, but it's not strong for the lady.
Yes.
Yes. For some people like sweet coffee, not strong.
Yes.
Yes. Just a little bit coffee.
Why is not?
You can see. Because you press so hard. So that's why coffee difficult come out.
Yes. So maybe I press a little bit too hard.
Yes.
Okay.
Your coffee will be very strong.
Okay.
Oh yes. Yes. More slowly, your coffee will be strong, but your coffee drip fast. Your coffee not strong.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like yours is really fast.
Yes.
And
she's fast.
Yeah, no, yours she's fast.
Yes.
And, that's not so strong. And
Yes, that's right. Maybe 7. You need to wait about 10 minutes when we finish your coffee.
Okay. Yes. Stop so slowly.
Milk, sugar, syrup. Yes, it's named cafe dan. It means black coffee. Cafe dan, black coffee. So you don't have?
I like the soup with one thing here in Vietnam is the coffee powder you put inside, because it has bigger one for this. Like here.
You have?
Yeah, I have one a little bit.
But under the coffee doesn't come out.
Okay.
Okay, now you can take a little. You can take. Yeah, just smell and take. Or if you don't like sweet, you can just put ice and drink.
Yes. So like.
Yeah. Strong. I like sweet. Now you can say this one in Vietnam. You can say, you can speak.